Hello everyone and welcome to this video that is possibly the most awaited video on this channel. So ZAT 2025 crash course is getting launched and in this video I'll try to explain to you कि क्या क्या हम लोग करने वाले हैं as a part of this crash course and how exactly is it going to proceed. So start करते हैं सबसे पहले why do you need to take the ZAT या ZAT के बारे में information क्या है उसके लिए I have already made a couple of videos. Do have a look at these videos. मैं इसके links जो है ना वो description box में दे दूंगा. So ZAT और CAT में क्या major differences हैं and the second thing is a 40-day prep plan if you are preparing for ZAT 2025 and those of you who are planning to take the ZAT along with the NMAT and SNAP उनके लिए भी इसके अंदर एक एक स्लाइड है जहां पे you will be able to understand कि कैसे अपने प्रिपरेशन को स्टैगर करना चाहिए. नाउ कमिंग टू द कोर्स कंटेंट्स, कोर्स के अंदर सब कुछ कवर्ड होगा जो जैट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेशंस वी आर गोइंग टू हैव 15 लाइव सेशंस, थियरी और प्रैक्टिस दोनों इसके अंदर कवर होंगे. आई विल शेयर द डिटेल्ड सेशन प्लान ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड बट 15 लाइव सेशंस होंगे. ईच सेशन विल बी ऑफ 2 hours. द लैंग्वेज ऑफ डिलीवरी इज गोइंग टू बी इंग्लिश. सो even if you are not very comfortable with Hindi, I am sure that you will be able to understand the sessions that I am going to conduct. अगर इस चैनल के ऊपर सेशंस देखे हुए हैं, if you have seen the 50 insane shortcuts वाला video and you are able to understand what I have said in that video, I think you will be able to understand it during the session as well. प्लस जो बैचेस होते हैं वो बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. सो उसके अंदर इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन सिंपली आस्क ड्यूरिंग द सेशन एज वेल एंड आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू मे बी ट्रांसलेट इट बैक टू यू या फिर उसको मतलब थोड़ा और इलेबोरेट करके बता सकता हूँ. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. लैंग्वेज आई डोंट थिंक शुड बी अ बैरियर व्हेन इट कम्स टू दीज सेशंस बट येस द मोड ऑफ डिलीवरी इज गोइंग टू बी इंग्लिश सो दैट पीपल आर कंफर्टेबल. whoever is comfortable with Hindi or English, you should be fine with these sessions. In terms of the recorded sessions that I am going to do, what I am going to do here is ZAT का सबसे important thing when it comes to preparation is not any institute material or not any publication whatsoever. ZAT का सबसे अच्छा preparatory strategy होता है पुराने ZATs को attempt करना. Now the problem with the old ZATs is that बहुत सारे पुराने ZAT papers के ना solutions available नहीं है, official key भी available नहीं है. So what I will be doing is last 3 ZATs जो थे ZAT 24, 23, 22 ये सब के detailed video solutions will be a part of this program. So I'll be putting it as one question solution set solution RC solution उस format में ये चीज़ें होंगी. So that will be populated on your learning portal. तो ये होगा इसका recorded sessions वाला part. Then we will have one live strategy session जिसके अंदर it will be a strategy slash AMA kind of a thing जहाँ पे I will talk about my experience with the past ZATs, कैसे attempt करना चाहिए, how much time to give to each section, when should you leave a question, ideal attempts, ये सारी चीज़ें हम discuss करेंगे in that session and I'll also take questions from you guys. So वहाँ पे मतलब live session के अंदर if you have some doubts something you can definitely ask me in that session as well. Having said that ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक ही touch point है हमारा. In terms of strategy you will be added to an official बैच टेलीग्राम ग्रुप तो उसके अंदर यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज और डाउट्स वी कैन गेट इट रिजॉल्व्ड देयर. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. In terms of area test, there are 40 area tests that are there as a part of this program and ये जो area test है ना वो अपने ZAT के पुराने weight के हिसाब से ही distributed है. So considering that arithmetic बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आता ZAT के अंदर, arithmetic के there will be slightly fewer tests but algebra बहुत ज़्यादा आता है तो algebra के 5 tests है इसके अंदर. So that is basically how the split in terms of the area test goes. 40 area tests है covering the 3 sections that are there VA, LR, QA, DI and DM. तो ये 3 sections के around you will have 40 area tests that will be there. Now we will also have 12 sectional tests. So considering that there are 4 sections at the ZAT, अगर GK को भी add करते हैं तो you will have 3 sectional tests for each section. So these include 3 GK tests. Also full length mocks अगर देखेंगे तो there are 6 full length mocks that are going to be there as a part of this program. So we have tied up with Test Funda for this particular deliverable जहाँ पे area test, sectional test और full length mocks सारी की सारी चीज़ें होंगी. Now in this particular context we are going to have 6 full length mocks और इतना ही नहीं you will also have 6 GK mocks. So GK के लिए you will have mocks as well as the tests that are there in the form of the sectional tests. इतना अगर करोगे तो जीके के लिए you should at least get a head start. I would recommend that in addition to that you also practice a bit of GK on your own because there are 2 things. One, GK जो होता है ना उसको final percentile calculation के अंदर include नहीं करते. So GK will be a part of the process only if you reach the interview round. So उसके लिए अगर GK के अंदर out of 20 marks even if you get 8 or 7 marks that is generally going to be decent enough. तो interviews के अंदर बहुत सारे questions नहीं आएंगे उसके ऊपर. So उतना अगर prepare करना है तो उसके लिए इतने tests अगर दोगे and if you dig deep in terms of each and every question that you come across, I think you should be fine. But in addition to that, you can refer to outside material as well when it comes to the GK because GK is not something that I can teach in a live session. So that's why GK के लिए these tests should be sufficient. In terms of the session plan, सारे के सारे sessions December में हो जाएंगे, so that you get the last 10 or 12 days to prepare for the ZAT on your own, take mocks, analyze them, तो उसके लिए time मिल जाएगा. So that's why we will be starting with the sessions from the 2nd of December, 2nd to 6th, Monday to Friday सारे sessions हो जाएंगे. Then again you will have 9th to 13th, and last week का जो plan है ना, last 5 sessions का plan, वो थोड़ा सा हम लोग इसको tweak कर सकते हैं, depending on when people have their snap का attempt. If a lot of people are taking the snap, then maybe we will not do it on the 20th, we'll do it slightly later, but ये थोड़ा सा fluid हो जाएगा last के 4 या 5 sessions. But the first 10 sessions, 11 sessions are definitely going to happen on the dates that I have provided. सारे sessions के recordings available होंगे. So even if you miss a session, you can have a look at the recording, and the recording will basically be uploaded by the next morning. So तभी देख के पूरा का पूरा you should be able to understand what happened in the session. And even in spite of that, in addition to that, अगर कुछ भी doubt है, do let me know on the official batch group that we will have, and वहाँ पे you will be able to get your queries addressed. In terms of enrollment, the program is available for 2,999 rupees. एक introductory offer है. The original value of the program, so to say, will be around 7,000 rupees, but 3,000 rupees के अंदर ये मिल रहा है. This is inclusive of all taxes, charges and whatnot. तो 2,999 में this program will be available to you, and it will be valid till ZAT 2025, which is the 5th of January. Now course will be live on payment. तो अभी तो you will not really see a lot of things on the portal, but second से वो populate होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. I'll also start populating the recorded solutions on the portal. तो वो portal पे you will start seeing these content getting uploaded gradually. बैच टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में भी ऐड हो जाओगे. सो एज सुन एज वी गेट योर पेमेंट डिटेल्स, वी विल रीच आउट टू यू एंड वी विल ऐड यू टू द ऑफिशियल ZAT टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. तो वहाँ पे अगर ऐड हो जाओगे तो देन वी कैन इंटरेक्ट विथ ईच अदर देयर एज वेल. देन टेस्ट पोर्टल जो होगा वो एक्टिवेट करने में वी माइट नीड सम टाइम. समटाइम्स इट गेट्स डन इमीडिएटली विद इन 24 आवर्स, बट ऑन दी अपर साइड मैं 48 आवर्स बता के चल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज वी माइट हैव टू प्रोक्योर अ लॉग इन इफ वी डोंट रियली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लॉग इन्स ऑन हैंड. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे 48 आवर्स तक लग सकता है फॉर योर टेस्ट पोर्टल टू गेट एक्टिवेटेड. बट डोंट वरी, इफ यू हैव एनरोल्ड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट एक्सेस टू द टेस्ट पोर्टल. और अगर कहीं पे भी कुछ भी होता है, डू लेट अस नो बाय ड्रॉपिंग अस अ मेल. आवर मेल ID is there in the description box below, so don't worry about anything. The onboarding is fairly smooth. The recorded videos will be up by the 15th of December. So last 3 years के तो जो ZAT papers के solutions जो मैं दूंगा एक एक question के, वो सारे up होंगे by the 15th of December. So stay tuned on the channel for that. Now there are a lot of payment modes that are available, but what we would recommend is, considering that QR code का success ratio बहुत high नहीं रहा है on our payment gateway, that's why we would strongly suggest you to not use the QR code to make the payment. अगर UPI से pay कर रहे हो, it's okay, use your UPI ID. So if your UPI ID is let's say abc@okicici, then you can use that and make the payment. That's perfectly okay, not a problem at all. But QR code को screenshot लेके scan करके मत करना, because there we have been facing some difficulties and some of our students have reported that they are not able to make the payment. तो QR code use मत करना. बाकी credit cards, debit cards, net banking, UPI, everything is possible. So if you are making the payment, just be a bit careful on that front. I hope to see a lot of you signing up for this program, and I hope to interact with a lot of you on this coming Monday. Make sure that you join this program early so that you can avail all the benefits in a live format. जो लोग बाद में join करेंगे, it's okay for you, not a problem at all. But वो live session के recordings initially जो होंगे वो देखने पड़ेंगे. That is the only thing. But of course you will get full support in terms of the Telegram group, in terms of the tests, and in terms of the strategy session. So don't worry about it. Once you are onboarded, we'll take care of your ZAT preparation end to end. Right? So on that note, I will take your leave. Stay tuned for the next video on the channel. We are going to have a lot of videos on this channel for your ZAT preparation as well. So make sure that you stay subscribed, and do share this information with some of your friends as well if you believe that they will benefit from this particular course. Wish you all the best with the ZAT preparation.